Hey guys, this is Amit Kumar and you're watching Prince Tech Solution. So friends, in my last video, I described about the basic of search engine optimization. Now, today in this topic, I will take you to a tour of how to configure search engine optimization in your website step by step. So it is a complete guide, a complete tutorial. After this video you can be able to create your own framework in your WordPress website. So before we move on to the video, I would request friend, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like this channel. Okay, so I'm here in my WordPress login. This is the of WordPress login of my website. So I'm going to get into the WordPress portal, and then I will show you how to configure search engine optimization. So friends, WordPress is one of the best content management tool as on date. So I would recommend, if you are a website designer, you definitely choose WordPress. You can install WordPress. So when you install WordPress, in order to enable search engine optimization, you have to install one additional plugin that WordPress has here. You can very easily install a new plugins. So there are SEO plugins available in the market. You can very easily download it. So for SEO plugin, I would definitely recommend you to go for WordPress Yoast SEO. It is one of the best SEO tool as on date in the market. I repeat, WordPress Yoast SEO. This is what I installed also. You can see my installed plugins. There are various plugins I have installed. Say for example, Google Analytics, WordPress Forms, Yoast SEO. So this is the tool you can also install, Yoast SEO. So which I have installed it and activated. So as a result, it is showing nowadays it can be deactivated. So that means this plugin is activated in my WordPress portal and in my website. So now let us see how to configure this plugin step by step. So here, once you activate this plugin SEO, it will come under here in this left menu. You can see there are some notifications. When you get this notification icon, you can simply click on it and you'll get the notification on the top, and WordPress will keep on showing you notification as and when it is required. You don't have to be worried about that. Go with the notification and please take action whatever it is recommending. So as of now, as I have installed this SEO plugin, so it is recommending me to first time SEO configuration. Okay, so let's get started with this. Let's get into the configuration widget and see what features is coming up. Okay, there are 12 simple steps which we have to follow in order to configure your website. So configure your Yoast SEO in a few steps. So just click on this configure your SEO. Now what it says, please specify if your site is under construction or already active. My site is live and ready to be indexed. So if your site is not active, if you are working on a private mode, you have not been published your website, you can choose the second one, else you choose the first one. You can see my website. I have a beautiful website which is active now. Users are also viewing it and I'm getting the opportunities. So you can choose this one, option 1. Next, what kind of website is this? Prince Tech Solution. Is it a blog site? It is a online shop, or it is a small offline business? Okay, So you can choose it's a small offline business, a corporation, or a new channel. So I can go with it, something like. Does the site represent a person or a company? You can choose this as a company, or if you are a person, if you are showing simply your biography or anything related to you, excuse me, you can simply choose your name, person name, or a company name. So I'm going to give the company. Choose image of the company logo. So I will choose the image. This is basically there in my gallery. I can simply choose it. This is the logo of my company, and then go next. So whenever you choose the logo at the time of searching somewhere from the internet, this will display your company logo as a proprietary. So I can just get my all this social media details. So Yoast SEO will spread my you know index my website in in other social medias also. So what I'll do, I'll just get my social media details out of here. This is my Facebook link. I can just paste it over here. My Twitter username, I'll also get it from here because I have already used it in my website. I'm not using Instagram. I have my YouTube channel also. So this is my YouTube channel as well as my Google Plus. Also I'll use my LinkedIn URL. It must be there in my mail signature. So when I'll just drop to new mail, I'll just get this link from here. So this is what it is. Remember, it should not be a page actually. You can take it as a website, say as a page. So I have this LinkedIn. Let me quickly go to this LinkedIn profile and get the details of my LinkedIn profile. I have to go for a LinkedIn page. Here it is. So I'll just put it over here. And just try to see this. It is discoverable. Yeah. So this is my page, LinkedIn page. So I can just put it here. So these are all my details. Alright, so I'll just go next. I don't have other accounts, so I'll go next and see what is coming up. Yes, so it is asking basically search engine would show post in a search result. Yes, search engine should show pages instead of result. Yes. Next. Does or will your site will be multiple authors? Will have a site will have multiple authors? No, I don't have multiple authors, so I'm a single author. So next. So it's basically asking to get authentication code in order to make your website authenticated. So you need to choose the email address through which it will send the your mail detail, and it will send you the authentication code. This is what it is. You can just paste it over here and authenticate. So it is also now connected to my Google profile. This is what my profile is. You can basically choose it, select profile and go next. So this profile is created with Google, though I authenticated. So it is basically prompting for to give the website name, which will be appearing on the Google search engine. So you can choose over here. These are all the title separator. I've just given the title separator, which is single two type colon, that it is not allowing. So I can basically choose here the pipelines, pipeline operator here. The website name is this. You can see in Google, when you're searching something, it will just show the website name. So I'll just choose this one, symbol as the title separator. Next. So it is asking me to provide your name, so that the newsletter, if you want to spread any newsletter, and if you want to receive the newsletter from Yoast day by day, in case of any revolution they are coming up or bringing into the picture, they will also send you the newsletter details. So I will basically configure more than one email ID as well in order to receive the newsletter. You can also give your email address. So this is additional benefit. You can take it for however, this is not mandatory actually. If you want to go with it, you can take it, or else you can go next. So I don't want to go with the premium. It is asking me to go for a premium. I'll just try for some extent to taste it, and then I will use for the premium, then go next, and very simply it will close. So mostly the steps are configuration steps is up to 10, point number 10, and there are two things like 11 and 12 are for the other widgets, which is not so much useful. Then close. Now then you would see your site profile has been created, and there would be many more features would be added here, and it will take some time to index your website. When I say index, the Yoast SEO will see the internal pages of your website, and they'll analyze the bugs. They will just analyze the standard we have maintained in our website. If not maintained, they will bring the notifications automatically, and according to the notification we have to work, and we have to comply as per their rules and regulation. So this is the pretty simple step to configure Yoast SEO. In the next video, I will come up with the more features of the SEO techniques and tools. So I hope you would have liked the video, guys. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe and keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.